Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. For today's workout, you will need one set of pretty light dumbbells. Light because our working sets today are 5 minutes long. And we're gonna take a 1 minute rest and we're gonna repeat it 2 more times. So let's not waste any more time. Let me hit the start button on the clock and I'll see you guys in about 1 second. All right, welcome back. We'll get started in about 25 seconds. First exercise, we're gonna lunge forward. We're gonna curl our weights 5 times. Then we're gonna do 3 presses and 2 lat raises. We're gonna come back up, switch legs to the other side. So we are doing that for 5 minutes. So grab some pretty light dumbbells. Hey, whatever you're comfortable with. If you're way stronger than me, more power to you. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Lunge forward, hold it right here. Give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Flip it up and give me 3 presses. 1, 2, 3, and some side raises. 1, 2. Oh, lat raises. I can speak today. Anyway, other side. Ready? Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 presses. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 lat raises. 1, 2. The reason why I'm doing 2 because these weights will get too heavy with the lat raises. For me, that's by far the most demanding part. Ready? Other leg. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and bring it up. 1, 2. Hold it. 3, 4, 5, and to the side just twice. 1 and 2. All right. Keep on going, guys. We have 5 minutes, so we have plenty of time left here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and to the side. 1 and 2. I'm gonna switch it up and face the camera. Hey, hello world. All right, let's go. 1, 2, come on. 3, 4, 5. That's why I said lightweight. I'm hurting already. 2, 3, 4, 5, and side. 1 and 2, and back. Whew. All right, we're not even halfway done yet. Let's keep going. Ready? 1, 2, come on. 3, and up for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2. 1, 2. Whew. All right, let's go. Come on, Paul. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to the side. 1 and 2. Boy, everything's starting to hurt. Just over 2 minutes left. Let's go. Ready? 1, 3. Come on. 4, 5. Bring it up. 1, 2. Straight backs. 3, 4, 5. And lateral. 1 and 2. And bring it back. Less than 2 minutes left. Let's go forward. And give me 5 curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's go. 1, 2. Keep it up. 4, 5. And to the side. 1 and 2. And bring it back. All right, 90 seconds left. Forward. 1. Come on. And up. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And sides. 1 and 2. And back. All right, we got 1 minute left. 1 minute left. 2 more rounds. Ready? Probably. Maybe a little more. 1. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5. And press. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And lat raises, 1 and 2, and punch it back. All right, 30 seconds left, a little more than 30 seconds. Let's do one more, guys. Ready? Let's go. Give me good ones. This is last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lateral raises. 1 and 2. We have 15 seconds left. You know what? We got 10 seconds left. Let's do some lunges. 1, 2. Come on, work with me. Let's make it up. 3, 2, 1, and that's it. What a great way to spend 10 seconds. All right, guys, now we have a 1-minute break. The next set of exercises, I'm gonna use the same dumbbells. It's going to be 10 chest presses, 5 skull crushers, and 5 flies. We're gonna be getting down on the ground for this one. So grab your water right now, grab a little drink, towel off if you need your towel off, shake those legs out. I, for one, am gonna be glad I'm gonna be sitting down, and I'll see you guys in about 20 seconds. All right, welcome back. I've obviously made my way down. We're going for 10 chest presses. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it right here. Give me skull crushers. Give me 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it right here. 5 sets of flies, and make sure I don't hit the wall here. Ready? 1. 5 reps, I should say, not sets. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Keep those weights going, guys. Give me 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6, 7. Come on. 8, 9, and 10. These are gonna be hard to hold on to. That's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flies. Let the floor protect you. There we go. 1. Put your arm all the way down and lift it up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Keep it right here. We have plenty of time left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 6. One more. And 10. Keep it right here. Skull crushers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo, the burn is here. 1, come on. 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, back to presses for 10. Ready? Let's go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Skull crushers. 1, 2, 3. Keep it up. 4, 5. Flies. I'm always careful on the first one. I don't want to pull anything. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let me look up, see how much time we got. We're more than halfway done. Keep on going. Just over 2 minutes left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep those weights here. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 fly. 1. A lot of counting for me today. I apologize. 2. Come on. 3. 1 more. And there we go. Back to presses, guys. 90 seconds left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. 1. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5. Little break, and let's go for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We got 50 seconds left. Let's go for 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 skull crushers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And just like with the other one, we have a few seconds left. What do you guys want to do? I said we drop down and do some push-ups. Ready? Few seconds of push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4. What a way to burn it up, at least for me. I don't think I could have done more than maybe a couple more. All right, just like before, 1 minute break. I don't know, I'm still on my knees, but that's where I'm at. 1 minute break, guys. And we are going to our third and final set of exercises, which is going to be 20 Russian twists with a dumbbell, if you can. If not, drop the dumbbell behind you. No dumbbells on the court if you don't need them. 10, dumbbell to leg, laying down on the ground. Straight leg, raise over dumbbell. And 5 sit-ups. And once again, we are going to repeat that pattern for 5 minutes. So, having said that, I'll see you guys in about 20 seconds. All right, guys, welcome back. We'll get started in about 5 seconds. Russian twist. Ready? 20. If you got a dumbbell, that's great. If not, that's great. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. All right, dumbbell to leg. I'm gonna make sure I got enough room here. Microphone might fall out of my pocket, but that's okay. No excuse, and let's go. Single leg to dumbbell. Ready? We're going for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Microphone is inching up on me. Gonna fix that so we can get going. Ready? Sit-ups. Just going for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get all the way down and Russian twist. So sit up, legs up, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it up. 2, 3, 4. Come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Lay back down. Dumbbell to leg. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7. Push it. 8, 9, 10. Sit up. 1. Just 5. 2, 3. Keep it up. 4, 5. Sit up. Russian twist. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it up. 2, 3. Come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Lay down, weights behind you. And to the leg. 1, 2, 3. Crunch it up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gorgeous. And let's go. 1, 2, 3. Keep that dumbbell pointing towards the ceiling. 4. Come on. 5. And back down. Take a little breather. Okay, breather's done. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 2 minutes left. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Woo! And let's go. 1, 2, 3. Keep it up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dumbbell up and sit up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. All right, Russian twist, guys. Ready to go? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 minute left. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lay down. Weights over your head, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5 sit-ups. 1, 2. We have 15 seconds left. Let's just keep on doing sit-ups so the time runs out. Keep on going. Keep on going. 10 seconds left. We got a few more in us. 1, 2, 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Let's do one more. 1, and that's it. Woo! Welcome back and welcome back to Fit After 50, guys. What a great workout today. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Paul. Workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday for almost 4 years now. So welcome to the club. This was a nice light dumbbell workout. I'll see you guys during the next workout.